Welcome! In today's episode I attempt to make skis for my large RC plane. There isn't much winter left, so I decided to cut some corners to make it happen. Open field or lake is much safer bet for my initial tests. I will probably skip making the paint and bodywork perfect, so I can actually fly it before the snow melts. Adding skis brings the weight of the plane closer to 20 kilograms, which is probably maximum safe weight for the 80cc engine. I shape the mount and I make sure to remove as much weight as possible. I try to be super careful while machining cross grain. The kickback from the router can be very dangerous. It actually happened, so check this out. I slowed the video down so it's easier to see. I tried to remove too much at once, which led to the kickback. Always be ready and aware when working with power tools. Know which way the tool might kick and position your grip accordingly. Don't wear gloves or loose clothing so you don't get pulled into the blade when things go wrong. One silly mistake can leave you injured for life. Be careful out there. Here are the skis. 1/8 birch plywood with 2 poplar sticks shaped the curve at the front. Also, the plywood is scored at the front so it can bend. Some more weight removal at the back. I must admit, wood carving gives me great satisfaction for some reason. I glue in some cross members to distribute the load from the center to the sides where the skis are strong. I also glue the mount in. The mount is made out of oak so it can carry the impact of landing. Epoxy with cotton fiber goes to all the corners. Maybe I am overdoing it, but really I hope to not damage the plane during the first test. It took me a year and a half of weekend efforts to get where I am. There isn't much to the design of the skis. The axle point needs to be around 10% aft from the center. For 20 kilogram plane, the ski needs to be around 130 square inches. I went for 6 by 22 inches, that's what AI suggested. When the glue becomes little harder, I final shape it with round stick. And finally, fiberglass layup goes down. Also, the skis should be towed in around 3 degrees, just like the wheels, but no camber. Almost finito. I will probably drill some lightning holes along the side sticks. I also need to add some hard points for the spring and tension cable. Now I install the intake tube. I don't want the engine to suck the hot air from inside the cowling. I also set the FPV camera mount in place. I used Bondo to tuck the piece in place. And finally, epoxy glue and fiberglass goes down. At last, I make flat layup with 2 layers of glass. I lay it on top of plastic film and I cover it with peel ply. I will need this piece to blend in the bottom of the wing connection. But all that in coming episodes. That's all for today and more coming soon.